which low maintenance hairstyle is right for you, I can fix that. I'm gonna preface this by saying these are just suggestions. No one can tell you how to wear your hair, not even me. You're thinking this isn't gonna work, then don't do it, boo-boo. Don't do it. If you have straight hair, a lob or a bob is gonna do wonders, but they both have to be blunt cut. So a chin length bob and a shoulder length lob. Straight hair naturally shows every strand and every line. So if you have a blunt cut, instant structure, you're like, ugh, I don't like blunt. Don't worry. Curtain bangs with medium length hair and layers is gonna be, even if you don't do anything to your hair, it's still gonna look good. Like no styling whatsoever, still looks great, still looks fresh, because the curtain bangs are going to draw that focus upward. It's gonna frame your face naturally. And the layers should probably start, if you have collarbone length hair, the layers should probably start here. So all of this should be layers and it sit very nicely, and it's going to give you some movement and some volume, which straight hair naturally lacks. Straight hair can have wolf cuts or shags, but I would recommend doing a medium length shag and not a long one, because if you have straight hair, it's just gonna look really stringy and not the best. Keep your length here, and your first layer for your shag should probably start around your temple. If you have wavy hair, a modern shag, a lob with layers, and a hush cut are gonna be your best friends. Layers. Love layers. If you get a shag, a chest length shag with layers starting from your temple down is gonna be so beautiful when it air dries. If you don't need to do much. You don't need to do much to it, because the choppy layers are gonna work with your waves and they're gonna create that effortless volume when it air dries. The modern shag, that volume that you have in your hair is gonna be evenly distributed, so it's gonna look so beautiful and just rock star-ish. Same thing with the lob and face layers. Your sweet spot for a lob is right here with face framing layers. Because you have wavy hair, the face framing is just gonna look so beautiful. Waves are just gonna bend effortlessly, giving you that softness. Hush cut is a Korean style cut that works with the waves instead of against them. Now I will say that you might wanna make sure that you get the right length, because it can get really wispy. It's a really wispy cut, and it's beautiful with layers and wavy hair. If you have curly hair, oh, I love curly hair. I almost got a perm. One word, layers that start right there. A modern shag with bangs that starts right here is gonna look amazing on you, and it's not gonna have that mushroom effect that curly hair can tend to have. Butterfly layers are beautiful on curly hair. So if you want long hair, like maybe down to here, then you want to have layers that start right here. You can have a bob with curly hair that's low maintenance. Just make sure that it's not blunt. And if you do a chin length bob, make sure that you get layers that start here, once again, right by your temples or your cheekbones, because then that way the curly hair at the bottom isn't gonna weigh you down. The layers are gonna work well with your curls. It's gonna look beautiful. If you want low maintenance, just don't do blunt cuts. Just don't. Unless you want to. Do these or don't, boo-boo. I'm not going to force you to do anything you don't want to do, because I'm not here for that. I've never been here for that, okay? But these are just suggestions. If you want to do whatever you want to do with your hair, go for it, all right? Ultimately, it's up to you. I love you. I love low maintenance hairstyles, because sometimes I'm like, I can't style it today.